All right, Jen, we're talking organic gardening. It seems to be all the rage these days. People want organic herbs, they want organic vegetables. If someone were trying to start their own organic garden, you have any advice?
Well, you have to define what organic is. There's no man-made fertilizers, no pesticides. You really have to think of where your product is coming from.
Okay.
So
Is it easy to find organic materials? I mean, I'm seeing potting soil. I mean, were these organic when you bought them at the store?
The plants were organic because they had an organic label on it.
Okay.
It needs to have that certified organic stamp. And you have to, that includes soil,
Yep.
the plants themselves, the seeds if you start with seeds, and the containers.
Wow, even the containers. All right. And so what's the idea that maybe terracotta is natural, but the plastic containers that a lot of these seedlings come in, we're afraid of leaching?
Possibly leaching from the sun heating up the plastic. So what I like to do is use something like terracotta or any ceramic planter, or if you're going wood, use cedar.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay. So what goes through your head as you're trying to put planters together?
Well, themed gardens. I like to think of why do I want to use this planter? What is going to be the benefit? So in this one, I picked an Italian theme.
Obviously basil that you've got here. What is this?
Basil, we have oregano, and chives.
Ah, three things that you're likely to use together in the same meal.
Yes.
All right, so what are we planting today?
So we have an aromatic garden is the theme that I was thinking for this. This is lavender.
Oh man, it smells so good.
And this is rosemary.
Equally as fragrant, right? That's
So
terrific.
it's time because they have outgrown these pots. And so what I'm going to do is put them together.
So mix these together. This is
So
your
all
theme.
three of those is my theme for
So-
my aromatic planter.
This one's Italian. This one's the smelly one.
Yeah, so
Good smelling.
you could do edibles, and then you could do for the other senses.
Okay.
So what I'm going to do is put this in here.
So this process is the same in terms of the technique. I mean, you're using terracotta, but otherwise, in terms of what you do for putting them in, breaking them up.
Yeah, you put them in, you tease the roots, and then put them in the pot.
Beautiful. All right, so we're putting this in here. I see you've got seeds out here. If someone doesn't want to go with the seedlings, are they organic? They are organic seeds. So you would have to start with an organic seed.
Yeah, and
if you didn't have an organic seed, it would not be considered
It would
organic.
never be considered organic.
That's just wrong.
And there's definitely a label that says organic on it.
Yeah, I see that everywhere.
So
Okay.
there's so many different parts every step of the way
Yep.
that
And
you have to pay attention.
That's obviously going to be a lot more time consuming than this, right? Because that's got to start well
Yes,
before the
but it's a great teaching experience to watch seeds grow.
Sure.
And you nurture them all the way through.
all the way through to the point where we're actually putting them next to the grill and we are eating them.
Yes, we'll put it on a steak for you, maybe a little side of pasta.
I'm down with that. All right,
right.
Jen, thank you.
All right.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.